All right, pilots. We're going to go live in 5 on the tone. I think we lost 1 at the start-finish gate, 2 at the start-finish gate. Looks like we lost Are You Ready by the Cessna in the back. All right, Engineer is our first one through the gate, followed by Control. And Kamikaze. We have 3 left. We've lost Vanover, Are You Ready, Atomic, and Sundance. I just want to pee real quick. Oh, you in your office? All right, guys. We got about 13 seconds left on the master clock. It looks like we have 1 up still, and that is Control. When he crosses, he will be done. He's coming through the tunnel, fixing to come through the start-finish. Control, you are done. Good job. 3 laps in 2:05. Hold on. Okay, everybody's down. Let's retrieve some quads.